नमस्कार, मैं बलबीर कश्यप बीओकम बिहार सेरा जोन कैपिटल हरियाणा भारत एक नई जानकारी में आपका स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। जानकारी आप देख ही पा रहे हैं। हालांकि ये लेटर 27 नवंबर 2014 का है, तो आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप एक बार इसका रिवाइज लेटर भी देख लें। चलिए जानते हैं क्या है जानकारी। हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट जनरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट इन जनरल सर्विस 2 ब्रांच के माध्यम से, और ये चंडीगढ़ के द्वारा 27 नवंबर 2014 को ये पत्र जारी हुआ था। किसे? ऑल द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नमेंट हरियाणा, ऑल द हेड्स ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट हरियाणा, द डिविजनल कमिश्नर अम्बाला, हिसार, रोहतक एंड गुड़गांव, द रजिस्ट्रार पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़, all the managing director, chief administrators of the board, corporation, public undertaking in Haryana, all deputy commissioners and sub-divisional officers civil in Haryana। विषय है पॉलिसी फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग compassionate financial assistance to the family of the deceased person working in government department, boards, corporation, public undertaking under Haryana government on ad hoc daily basis, contract basis, including the persons working on contract basis थ्रू सर्विस प्रोवाइडिंग एजेंसी। क्या है बेनिफिट? सर मैडम, आई एम डायरेक्टेड टू इनवाइट योर अटेंशन टू द सब्जेक्ट साइटेड अबव एंड टू से दैट देयर बीइंग नो पॉलिसी फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग एक्स ग्रेसिया compassionate financial assistance to the family of the deceased person employed in government department, boards, corporation, public undertaking under Haryana government on ad hoc daily wage contract basis, including the persons working on contract basis through service providing agency. The state government has considered this matter and decided to provide financial assistance to the tune of Rs 3 lakhs to the family of a deceased person who was working in government department, board, corporation, public undertaking under Haryana government on ad hoc daily wage contract basis, including the persons working on contract basis through service providing agency with the prior approval of the competent authority on the following guideline। क्या है guideline? Number 1, these instructions shall come into force with effect from the date of issue of the instructions। Definitions: in this rule the context otherwise require a appointing authority, means the head of department, competent authority as the case may be where the deceased person was working. B, compassionate financial assistance, means the financial assistance to the tune of Rs 3 lakh provided as ex gratia assistance to the completely dependent member of the indigent family of the deceased. C, competent authority, means the head of the concerned department, board, corporation, public undertakings where the deceased person was serving. Deceased person means a person who was working in any government department, boards, corporation, public undertaking under Haryana government on ad hoc daily wage contract basis, including the persons working on the contract basis through service providing agency at the time of his/her death. Dependent means spouse or son, unmarried daughter till they attain the age of 25 years. In case of a deceased person being unmarried, brother, sister not above the age of 35, or parents. Submission of application in the form of undertaking. A dependent of the deceased person shall furnish an affidavit undertaking by giving complete address, proof of dependency over the deceased, list of other family members with relationship and age. Interpretation: if any doubt arises relating to the application, interpretation and scope of these instructions, it shall be referred to the government in the Department of General Administrative in General Service 2 branch, whose decision thereon shall be final. Exemption relaxation: there shall be no exemption relaxation of any provision of these instructions. Para 2, wherever required, the department, board, corporation, public undertaking concerned would move for adequate provisions in their budget under the appropriate head for this purpose every year. This may please be brought to the notice of all concerned for strict compliance in letter and spirit. Yours faithfully, ये भीम सिंह नेगी जी जो अंडर सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हरियाणा प्रोटोकॉल डिपार्टमेंट के माध्यम से ये पत्र जारी हुआ था। तो इसमें नया भी देख लेना आप एक बार, जो नई चीज़ें हैं उसके हिसाब से आप इस पे आप नया कोई लेटर आया तो उसकी भी गाइडलाइन अवश्य देख लें इस लेटर को फॉलो करते समय। थैंक यू वेरी मच।